Hello students, as a part of a study on the relationship between the use of tanning booths and the occurrence of skin cancer, researchers reviewed the medical records of 1,436 people. The table below summarizes tanning booth use for people in the study who did and did not have skin cancer. So if you look at the table carefully, so this is for the total of 1,436 people, out of which people having skin cancer are 896 and people not having the skin cancer is 540. Now, going on to the question says that of the people in the study who had skin cancer, the first we have to go for who had skin cancer. So these are the rows which we can say that they have skin cancer. What fraction use the tanning booth? So the tanning booth means like they have to find out. So 190 people had skin cancer and used the tanning booth. And the total number of the people having skin cancer is 896. So since this part 190 is the common intersection between skin cancer and use of a tanning booth. So the correct answer for this question is option B. That means 190 had skin cancer and used the tanning booth. So the probability will be 190 divided by 896. That will be the final answer for this question. Thank you, students.